trip to Sri Aurobindo Ashram with a sunlit path. It has been an excellent experience for us. Meticulous planning from travel to stay, activities which have been planned. I think they were really very thoughtful, and the meditation experience for students was something new for many of them. And along with that, the travel and the treks to the river for sunrise, etc. were really planned well, and the explanation along with that, it did not seem that we were traveling to a new place where we did not know much. And the courteous team which worked with us really made it a pleasurable experience for all of us. And we hope that teams of students keep coming every year, and this whole experience of eating together, laughing together, traveling together made this whole experience wonderful. And our students felt very safe being here. And we feel that the aspects of well-being which we wish to inculcate among young people, and their connect with the nature, connect with the roots, connect with people from diverse communities, all was part of this 3-day trip. It was a very good experience. Thank you so much.
Absolutely, I second, ma'am. We all have had a great time during this trip, and I would definitely say that this trip has been, like a therapy, not just for us, but also for our students. And having said that, you made it challenging for us, for not both of us not being as young as our students. You made it challenging, you made it adventurous, the treks that we took, the steps and flights that we took. So all of that has been worth it. And today, as we pack our bags and go back home, reflecting on this entire 4-day, trip, it has been great experience. We've made memories of lifetime, and we do hope to come back here at Madhuban. And along with that, definitely Sunlit Path has been a great organizing team, and you've been there with us, maneuvering every part and every aspect of the trip. And we wish you all the very best. May your path be lit with sunshine always. Thank you.
And the stargazing
Yes.
part and the fun part of bonfire and students dancing, I think that all was kind of a cherry on the cake. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
And wish you all the best.